Hello, today I am going to teach you how to make SunTea, and this is a really cool way to use wild edibles to create delicious summer beverages. You could make all sorts of different iced teas or even some homemade lemonades out of these foraged goods. When we make our SunTea, what you're going to want to do is get a clear pitcher or a big clear bowl like this. Clear is really important. It's going to help to allow extra heat and sun in, but you are going to want to fill it up with water enough for a pitcher here. Whatever size pitcher you want to use, measure the water with that and then dump it into your clear pitcher or your bowl. And then literally just fill it with wild edibles. I'm adding Dame's Rocket right now. I have mint and lemon thyme added as well. So if you let this steep for a couple of hours in the intense summer sun, so full sun for at least 3 hours, if not more, the longer you let it steep, the more flavor and color you're gonna get. But you let it steep and you are now going to have tea. If you wanted, you could make your own homemade lemonade by squeezing lemons in here and then adding sugar. That's what I'm going to do, is turn my tea into lemonade. So I've got some great plants in here. You're gonna want to add as many as you want and then keep checking on the flavor. Make sure that they do get submerged as well, so stir them up. Make sure they get into the water. And add whatever sort of edibles you want. I'm also gonna add some black locust flowers to this as well. And again, once I add the lemonade and the sugar, I'm gonna turn my SunTea into sun lemonade, which is gonna be really fun for having fresh summer flavor all the time. And I know exactly what went in this, so it's a really cool way to make your own stuff. You could also make ice cubes out of this too if you freezed it. Make sure everything gets submerged. So take a wooden spoon, something, to mix it all in there. And again, the longer you let this sit in the sun, the better the flavor, or the stronger the flavor is going to be.